Emotional intelligence is like a superpower for kids. It helps them understand and manage their feelings. This helps them build strong relationships and make good decisions. Children with high emotional intelligence are better equipped to handle stress. They can also navigate conflicts peacefully. Imagine a child who gets frustrated easily. Now imagine that same child learning to recognize their frustration. They can then use calming techniques to manage their emotions. This is the power of emotional intelligence. Teaching children about emotions is just as important as teaching them ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. It's an investment in their future well-being and success. By nurturing emotional intelligence, we empower children to lead happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. Parents play a crucial role in developing their child's emotional intelligence. Start by labeling emotions. When your child is happy, say, "You look so happy." When they are sad, acknowledge it. "I see you're feeling sad." Help your child build a vocabulary for their feelings. Instead of just saying good or bad, encourage them to use words like excited, frustrated, or disappointed. Create a safe space for your child to express their emotions without judgment. Let them know it's okay to feel all kinds of feelings. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's like stepping into someone else's shoes. Teach your child to be empathetic by encouraging them to consider how others might feel. For example, if they see another child who is sad, ask them, "How do you think they are feeling? What could we do to help?" Active listening is another crucial aspect of emotional intelligence. It involves giving your full attention to someone when they are talking. When your child is talking to you, put away distractions. Make eye contact and really listen to what they have to say. Reflect back on what you hear them saying to show that you understand. For example, you could say, "It sounds like you're feeling frustrated because you couldn't find your favorite toy." Children need healthy outlets to express their emotions. Encourage them to engage in activities like drawing, painting, writing, or playing music. Physical activity is also a great way for children to release pent-up energy and emotions. Encourage them to run, jump, dance, or play sports. Remember that teaching emotional intelligence is an ongoing process. There will be ups and downs along the way. Be patient, be present, and keep the lines of communication open. Your efforts will help your child develop into a well-rounded and emotionally intelligent individual.